a great pleasure to welcome you all for the day 4 session of 5 days value-added course on advanced applications of generative AI in AWS Cloud, IoT and Cybersecurity, organized by the Department of Information Science and Engineering, VKIT. We are very privileged to introduce our speaker of today's session, Mr. Prem Sagar S, Cloud Engineer, Procane Consulting and Services Private Limited, Bengaluru. The objective of today's session is to introduce the students to the fundamental concepts of cloud computing and the AWS ecosystem, including key AWS services like EC2, S3, RDS, Lambda and VPC, guide the students through the process of setting up an AWS account, configuring the AWS command line interface and using AWS management console for managing resources and so on. So, I take a great pleasure to welcome our speaker of today's session, Mr. Prem Sagar S, and also a proud alumni of VKIT Institute of Technology. We are very glad to have you with us, sir. Now, I request our beloved HOD, Dr. P. Vanajakshi ma'am, to welcome our speaker with a token of flag. Sir is a certified AWS machine learning engineer and his expertise in the AWS Cloud and its application makes him a perfect guide for today's session. And we are very proud of you, sir. Being an alumni of VKIT, we are very proud to have you here and to share your knowledge with our students. Welcome you again. I need to give a brief introduction regarding sir. Sir worked as a technical support engineer and an AWS solutions architect from 2021 to 2024. Currently, he is working as an AWS machine learning engineer associate from 2024, and he has designed, implemented, and maintained infrastructure solutions for diverse clients across sectors, including IT and pharmaceuticals, leveraging AWS technologies. He worked with clients to optimize their infrastructure and implement cost-saving solutions which saved more than 20,000 USD across all clients around the year. And he solely built up infrastructures for 5 startups from the ground up, working alongside the CTO or dev team lead, and he migrated applications and databases with over 2 lakh users from AWS to Azure using blue-green deployment strategies with a minimal downtime of 10 minutes. And he has written scripts and templates to automate deployment of resources. He has also led the successful implementation of hybrid solutions for Exchange mail server batch migration and migrated 2,400 mailboxes with 2 TB of data within a period of 15 days. He provided pre-sales technical support, gathering requirements and delivering high-level solutions to clients. I now request our speaker of today's session, Mr. Prem Sagar S, to address our students regarding the session.
Good morning. Nashta madilva. Then louder. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Today's session will be more interactive. So first about myself. I am a graduate from the same college. 5 years ago, I was also sitting in your place. So I know how it feels. I know the urge that you need. Let's bunk. We'll go to the volleyball court, basketball court. We'll go outside. Just attend. It will be very innovative. You will learn a lot of